Welcome to BitFix, your go-to channel for scholarship updates and application guides. Today we are talking about one of the most prestigious fully funded scholarships, the Romania Government Scholarship 2025.D. This scholarship is an excellent opportunity for bachelors, masters, and PhD students looking to study in Europe for free. This scholarship is fully funded by the Romanian government and covers full tuition fees, monthly stipend, health insurance, airfare for international travel. Now let's dive into the application process so you don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. First thing first, you have to create an account on Study in Romania website. Link is provided in description. Just click on Create Account. Now you have to fill this simple sign-up form. Just put your first name, last name, email, password, and check the terms and conditions, and click on Create My Account. Now an activation code is sent to your email address. Just put the code here and click on Confirm Account. Just click on Start Your Application. Now, before you begin, you have to check all these boxes and then click on I understand. Now here you have to put all of your personal information like full name, father name, mother name, date of birth, and then click on Next Step. Now in this section, you have to put your country of birth, city, your passport details, and your residential address. Then click on Next Step. Now here you have to select your degree in which you want to study. And do you need a Romanian preparatory year? I recommend you to select yes if you don't know Romanian language. Here you have to put your last degree grades and also according to Romanian grading system. Here you have to upload your passport, birth certificate, a CV in Europass format, your degree and transcript. Then click on Next Step. Here you have to select your universities. Be careful here. A university for preparatory year and 2 option here for preferred universities for your degree. Then click on Review Your Application Process and then click on Submit It. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to study in Europe on a fully funded scholarship. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and comment below if you are interested in this scholarship. If I receive enough responses, I will make a detailed step-by-step guide on filling out the application form. Don't forget to subscribe to BitFix for more scholarship updates. Good luck with your application.